Hi guys, Candy Foster here from Your Health Candy. I am a health coach, a personal chef, and a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I love to cook with my essential oils. So, to start off, I always want to make this statement. I only cook with doTERRA essential oils because they're the ones that I can trust to ingest something of their oils to know that it's good in my body. And I'm not harming anything. doTERRA lives by a CPTG standard, which means Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade. And that means there's nothing added to their oils, there's nothing taken away, they're not diluted unless otherwise stated. They do have some that in rollers that are pre-diluted, but all our oils, if they are meant to be ingested, have this lovely little label on the back. And that is just a regular nutrition label. So if it has the nutrition label on the back, then you're good to go. It's okay to ingest. So we're using basil today because we are making strawberry basil shortcake. So this is a super simple one today because my biscuits are already made. You can do this on biscuits, you can do it on a traditional shortcake, pound cake, an angel food cake, however you do your shortcake. I've got my strawberries here, just got them from the market yesterday. They're super ripe and ready, they're beautiful. I've added 2 tablespoons of organic powdered sugar. I usually use the raw cane sugar, but this dissolves better and it isn't quite so crunchy. It dissolves better than the raw cane. So the reason, even though these strawberries are nice and sweet, we need the juice to be let go because basil's pretty strong. And in this dish, we only want a little hint of it throughout, not a lot. So we're not going to use a drop. We're just going to use a toothpick and kind of swirl it through the whole thing, and the juices are going to help do that, and we'll stir it up. So let's do that now. And what we're going to do, we take a toothpick and just stick it in there and then do this. And then that's all you need is what's on the end of there. And we're going to swirl it throughout, get it down to the bottom so that it's in those juices. Because we don't want it super strong, because that'll kind of ruin the fact that we have beautiful strawberries, right? So let's just see the juice coming off. So we're going to mix that well so that gets distributed and not too strong. I can smell it. It smells very basil-y. There, that should do it. All right. And then we just need to assemble. Let's see, here's our little plate. Take a biscuit. These are gluten-free biscuits because I'm gluten-free. So they look just like any other biscuit, but they're a little tougher to, not quite so easy to throw together as a regular biscuit. That's another show. So, and then we'll just smooth on some of the strawberries. Oh, and I forgot, I have some whipped cream. Quick, I'm coming back. So, just because it's really hot here today and I didn't want to work up a sweat on camera, I pre-whipped the cream. So this is looking yummy. And I put just 1 tablespoon of the same confectioner sugar in here. And that was plenty for that, just to offset, give a little bit of hint of it. So I'm going to throw a little bit, well, we need a spoon. A little bit in there. Put the top on it. A few more strawberries. Whoa. Now I did it. That. Doesn't that look good? Not done yet. So we're going to take one leaf Well, we're going to take this for garnish, and we're going to take one little leaf, and we're not going to use all this. We're just going to use it as a nice little garnish. Do a nice little chiffonade on it, just to have a little prettiness on top. And then we'll set this on the side to make it look beautiful. Basil Strawberry Shortcake, everybody. So this is my dessert tonight. So if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you next Tuesday for, we're going to do a vegetarian chili stuffed sweet potato. So can't wait to see you then. Have a great week and happy cooking. Bye.